the Classroom Garden Project. Today, Tommy, Ben, and Jack are going to plant a garden right here in their classroom. They can't wait to see what will grow.
I'm going to plant these flower seeds.
I hope they grow big. Each boy has their own seeds to plant, and they're excited to take care of their tiny garden.
Oops, I spilled some dirt, but it's okay. I'm ready to plant my seeds.
Ben and Tommy are being extra careful with their seeds, making sure everything is just right. I think my seeds are going to grow tall. After planting, the boys know that watering their seeds is the next step to help them grow.
I hope I didn't put too much water.
Look, the seeds are starting to grow. The boys are so proud of their plants.
Wow, mine is growing so fast.
Plants need sunlight to grow strong, and the boys are making sure their garden is in the perfect spot. The boys learned that with patience and care, their garden will continue to grow into something beautiful. Their hard work paid off. The plants have grown big and strong, and the boys are so proud of what they've accomplished. Tommy, Ben, and Jack learned that growing a garden takes time and teamwork, but it's worth it. What will you grow in your classroom garden?
Goodbye. Thanks for joining us in our garden project.